Okay, we're going to do a little cleanup and repair on this vacuum cleaner. Or at least try to. So the first thing I notice is there's a bunch of dog hair trapped in the wheel down here. And it was on like this. And it turns out there's a spring right here that you disconnect. Actually, it was like this. So you disconnect it from right here. And there's a little catch right here. That catches, must be in here. Yeah, right here. So I pulled a little bit on the hair, which was right here on the roller, like this. And that catch let loose. And then I was able to gently, you could do it with a screwdriver, but just kind of pry here a little bit, and that twisted this up and out. So I now can clean this part out and brush all this out. And then we're going to do some other stuff, but for right now we're going to clean this and put it back together. And then we'll take a look at the next part. Oh, I might as well show you now because I may not do a video of every stage here. So what's happened is a screw came out of here and Amy taped it to hold it in. So I need to take that apart and see what we need to do to hold that in place without tape. And our other issue with this one is it doesn't stop when you use this here. The roller doesn't stop. So I'm just wondering, is that definitely the case, or is there a way that it disengages? But it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't. Okay, let's at least clean it up and try to fix the other part so we don't have to use tape on it.